Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful video. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert your USDC into USD on Coinbase. So, let's get started. First, open the Coinbase app. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search button and search for USDC. Select USDC from the search results to open its details page. On the USDC page, you'll see several options. Tap the convert button to begin the conversion process. After that, you'll be presented with two options. The first option is Convert Crypto, which lets you convert your USDC into another cryptocurrency. The second option is Convert to Cash, which converts your USDC into USD. To convert your USDC to US dollars, simply select Convert to Cash. If your Coinbase account is fully verified, you can easily convert your USDC into USD, and the funds will be available as cash that you can withdraw to your linked bank account. That's all there is to it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.